Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about pets. Pets are a fun topic because many people have pets and love animals. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. Talking about cats. Let's start with cats. Cats are popular pets in the United States. Many people have cats, and you can see and hear cats everywhere. When I was younger, my family had many cats. Some of them were big and some were small. They were all different kinds of cats. I always liked our big cats more because they were smart and fun. Our small cats were cute, but they weren't very smart. All of our cats loved to play, and they wanted to play all day. Owning cats. I liked cats, but now I don't want to have cats because if you have cats, you need to spend a lot of time with them. They need a lot of attention. In the United States, people treat their cats very well. They give them a lot of attention and play with them a lot. Talking about fish. Now, let's talk about fish. Some people like fish more than other pets. I think fish are great because they don't need a lot of attention. You can enjoy looking at them swimming in their tank. Fish come in many beautiful colors and shapes. Other types of pets. Now, let's talk about other types of pets. In the United States, some people like to have small pets like hamsters or guinea pigs. These animals live in cages, so they are easy pets to have. You just need to feed them and clean their cage. I don't think these pets are very fun. They're a little boring, in my opinion, but many people prefer these types of pets. I've never had a hamster or guinea pig before, but I ate a guinea pig when I was in Peru. In some countries, guinea pigs are food, not pets. Unusual pets. Other types of pets include birds, bunny rabbits, and reptiles. I had 3 fish when I was younger. 2 of these fish died pretty fast, but one of the fish lived for several years. Fish are boring pets, though. When I was very young, my family had a gecko. I liked to watch this gecko eat live crickets and worms. That was a cool pet. Animal shelters. In the United States, there are many animal shelters. An animal shelter is a place that takes care of animals that don't have owners. Most of these animals are cats. If you go to an animal shelter, you can adopt these animals if you want. My family adopted several cats from these animal shelters. Some of these cats were nice and fun, and some of these cats were not very nice. Favorite pets. My favorite pet was our first cat. She was very smart, and she was beautiful. I played with her and pet her every day. She lived with us for over 10 years. I miss that cat. If I get a pet in the future, it will be a cat. But I don't think I want a pet now. Okay, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you have any pets. I'll see you in the next video.